linear combination of random variables. Right. Right. Linear combination of random variables. Okay, fine. Okay. Okay, bye. Hello. Linear combination of random variables. Okay. What we do just do. Kitty, any question from previous part? Like a testing, type 1, type 2 error? You okay with type 1, type 2 error? The link I think I sent to you. All video in same link.
Oh, right.
Yeah. Okay. We can check a question, a long question. That year, some student just like because type 1, type 2 error question got wrong, so they have 88% or 89% of the A star. Should be November 22. Paper 6. 3. Yeah, we check one random question before we start next topic. I think the last question about testing, 5 marks. 5 marks, yes, in total 10 marks. Yeah, we need to check this question. 10 marks, like 20% of the whole paper. 20% of the whole paper. That one? Oh yeah, I'll print out this page. Watch Mr. Fun make every single balance still show up. Show up attention. Yeah, I have to on paper. Did not see that. Yeah. I don't really like to watch it. Yeah, that's fine. Our team's so bad. Last year. Sounds good. Oh, this is page. Like the skills building in gym just. Oh yeah, page 10. I don't know. Yes, what they're doing right. All the idea just about probability calculation. This question just revise normal distribution. If you receive in May, it's very useful. Normal distribution. Yeah.
Okay.
I didn't realize that. And I didn't follow. Thank you. I had to read back at it.
Mean standard deviation, a change, the mean decrease. So you know what's hypothesis? Yeah.
What is what? It's like reading.
H0 mu 32.5. H1 mu less than 32.5 is decrease. They have X bar equals 31.8. Back to here, we have two methods. First way, just p-value. X bar less than 31.8. Check this probability. If we do this probability, standardize. I told you what's here, huh? The mean of X, standard deviation smaller, which is 3.1 divided by root 50. That's the working. Next step, purely AS. Guys, next part, purely AS. Pure AS, which is fine. Negative 1.597. In the formula table, 1 minus 5, 1.597. Check the table. Oh. 1.597. Yeah. 9449. Less than 8%. Reject H0, which means the mean decreased. The time taken, the mean time decreased. Is that correct? Double check. Okay, is that correct?
Yeah. Yes.
This is called the p-value. Try to do the critical region. Critical region. Critical region. 8% less than. So here 8%. Z. What's here? That's AS, give you probability. 8%. Yo, we don't have 80%. You need to check. 92%. Symmetrical. You need to check it. 92%. 92% is 1.406. 6. 1.406. Guys, double check if you know this.
$31.89.
Double check if it's 91.406.
The question mark.
The question mark should be negative 1.406.
That can be 31.
31.9.
Oh, no. This is Z.
No, for the real.
Okay.
You just get.
If Cambridge can use very big code, that would be much easier. Check this calculator. Normal distribution inverse normal. The left area, just 0.08. Negative, yes, I got, the calculator say negative 1.405. I got negative 1.406. Oh, I still have 6. Not 5. I always worry about maybe the table wrong. It's different from calculator.
You know what? It's 1.4.
You got 1.405? Do you have the formula table?
No.
You have formula table, you check.
You should know.
Is that 1.406? Yeah. Okay. That's probably the reason. Sometimes student got 99%. Because your value different from the table value. Okay. So the critical region could be Z less than this. That's critical region. Yeah.
In the real example, it will give you like the variance in the
Sometimes yes,
like
sometimes
plus or
no.
minus something.
Sometimes yes, sometimes
And
no.
most of the past papers I've read through, they do give a little bit of.
Probably, yeah. Okay. Let's go to critical region. Let's calculate average Z. Average Z equals 31.8 minus 32.5 divided by this one. Oh, we got it. This one we just did, 91.597, which is less than negative 1.406. Therefore, reject H0. There's one way for critical region. The other way, you change to here and rearrange what's X bar. This is also critical region in terms of X bar.
Anything under 31.8.
31.88. But the question here is 31.8. Reject H0. So critical region could be this, could be this. They all call the critical region. Okay? They all call the critical region.
Oh, what did you say?
I want to start debating, just interact at volunteer.
Yeah, we have volunteering.
Yeah, Amazon International Orchestra. Basically anything. Oh, I did tennis. So I was sports. So I
Yeah.
basically.
Hey, look. Look.
Sorry.
Look.
Yeah.
You need to focus on the question. Because we have part B. This question already 10% out of the exam. Part B, another 10%. Have two error.
So if we can't do this, you won't be able to get the A star.
Oh,
Even if
depends.
Even if you get everything else right, you can't do the A star.
You can.
If your AS is fine.
Because AS together, for example, together is 250 marks. 250.
Oh wait, yeah.
Like a 75 AS pure, 50 AS stats, 75 pure 3, 75, 45. If you got 45, this question wrong. You still got a lot. Or 40, you still got a lot. You have 150 plus 90, 240 out of 250. That's pretty high.
Is it sometimes you have to be like 93% for A star, not just 90%?
Oh, no, they use the raw mark, not the scaled mark. Guys, when you got the AS certificate result, they give you the scaled mark on the certificate. But when they do the calculation for A level, they use the raw mark. That's why if last year you got the maybe 86% AS, your raw mark already more than 90%. Okay, this question type 2 error. We did last week. Casper, last week I asked you what's type 1 error, what's type 2 error?
The type 1 error is H naught is true.
But you rejected. Type 2 error is H0 or H0 or null hypothesis is wrong. You accept it. So the probability just probability acceptance region. Okay. To find acceptance region, you need to find the critical region. So we prefer, for the previous part, we prefer the critical region. The critical region we find is X bar less than 31.88. Acceptance region. Okay. Which means if you did the p-value in part A, you need to do the critical region again. Oh, better you just read the question. If they ask you find type 2 error, you try to find critical region. If they didn't ask you type 2 error, you just do p-value. Okay? Or you just find critical region. Okay, the probability z bigger than 31.88. We need to assume the standard deviation no change. What's here? This mean, the previous question, the mean is 30 something, 32.8 or 31.8? The original one? 32.5. Okay, now we need to use the new one. Yeah, this one will be 1 minus 5. .867. Guys, AS normal distribution 0.867. Really? So this was the answer.
Oh, yes.
Okay. That's this question. Type 2 error probability calculation, just the acceptance region. Kitty, any question? The critical region. Acceptance region. Oh. This is AS, Selena. This is bigger than, which means we need this area. We need this area. Type 1, type 2 error for normal distribution.